आता आमच्या मुखार आयला एक महत्वाची गजाल म्हटल्यार दीपक केसरकार हे महाराष्ट्राचे शिक्षण मंत्री हे गोंयान पावलात आणि तांणी मराठी भाषेचेर एक विधान केला। गोंयान मराठी भाषेचे महत्व वाडोवपी ही आमची प्राथमिकताय आसली अशें महाराष्ट्राचो शिक्षण मंत्री दीपक केसरकार सांगता। गोंय मुक्त जाल्या उपरांत महाराष्ट्रान गोंयान लायट अर्थीक मजत आणि जायत्या मळार सहकार्य केल्ल्याचे केसरकारान ह्या वेळार उलोवन दाखयले। शेनवारा गोंयांत आयल्या उपरांत केसरकार उलयतालो।
Goa shares very good relations with Maharashtra, and the initial stage of Goa, Maharashtra used to take care of supplying electricity, supply financial institutions to government, and so many other things. But one thing I'll definitely try to have a tie-up with Goa government, and that is regarding Marathi language. We spend a lot of money on development of Marathi language all over the world. So there are certain areas where Marathi is being spoken. In Indore, in Madhya Pradesh, then in Gwalior it is spoken, in Panipat it is spoken, in Goa it is spoken, in Belgaum it is spoken. So Marathi is one of the major language of India. Promotion of Marathi will be our priority, especially for Goa. And then we can have joint ventures for tourism development in Goa.